We're at 1924 Refuge Circle. This is in Gulf Breeze off of East Bay Boulevard. We're entering into our front door here. We have a large foyer in front of us. On the right, we have a coat closet. Once we enter through our foyer, we have our kitchen. Lots of storage, stainless steel appliances, beautiful pendant lighting. And behind us, we have our large pantry. This is a wraparound pantry, so plenty of storage. This flooring is tile, so it is very easy cleanup. And here is another view of our kitchen. You can see our dining area and our living area. We do have tray ceilings in our living room. We have a storage cabinet already in place. Off of the back side of the home, we have an enclosed patio and an open patio with an outdoor grill and smoker. And we have our storage shed in the back as well. We're gonna go to the master suite first. The master suite is on the back side of the home. We do have carpeting in the bedrooms. Nice tray ceilings again in this room. This room is huge. It's on the back side of the home, so lots of privacy. And in our master ensuite, we have double sink vanities. We have our private water closet back here. And then we also have a garden tub and stand-up shower. So no shortage of luxuries in this home. And then we have our walk-in closet. We do have storage units already in place. These are soft close units with built-in lighting and pull-out drawers. So we have one on each side. And then we also have this one over here for other extras. Now through this door, we have our laundry room. So we have access from our master closet to our laundry room, but we also have access from off of the dining area as well. So here we are, there's our dining room, and here's our master suite again. So here's that laundry room. This is also our entrance from our 3-car garage. We have, again, beautiful lighting, lots of storage in here. Now we're gonna cross to the other side of the home. This is a split floor plan, so master suite is separate from the other bedrooms. There are 3 guest bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms. So here's our first guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the home. Again, we have carpeting in the bedrooms. We do have a Jack and Jill bathroom for this bedroom. So here is the first half of this bathroom. And we have our tub shower combo. And behind our door here, we have our commode. Now, heading back into the bedroom we just came from. We'll go back out. You'll notice all of our lighting fixtures have remotes. So perfect for kids that can't reach yet. We're passing a storage closet here. We're gonna go all the way down to the end. So this is on the front side of the home. This bedroom has the other half of the Jack and Jill bathroom we were just in. This one has a walk-in closet. And then we are back at the bathroom that we were just in. So we'll go in. There is our shower and our commode. Heading back out now. We're gonna go back by our walk-in closet. We'll go out of this bedroom, and there is the hallway we were in. Here is our third guest bedroom. Again, this is on the front side of the home. This bedroom does have a closet and private access to the bathroom that we have not gone in yet. So heading back out of this bedroom, we're back in the hallway. And here is that third and final bathroom. Again, the third bedroom that we were just in does have access to this bathroom. So great for guests. Now heading back out to the living area, we'll go to the backyard. So we're back in the living room, going by our dining area and our kitchen. We'll head to our screened-in patio. Again, lighting, electrical, and cable connections already in place. And we'll go out to our open space patio. We do have our outdoor kitchen. We have our fire pit. And we have this huge backyard with a garden. We also have what the owner likes to call his man cave. That shed does have power and air conditioning. So it could be a he shed or a she shed, whichever you prefer. And then here is that backyard. Heading back inside now. We're in our screened-in patio. Going back inside. Again, this is 1924 Refuge Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.